Let's move on and let's have a look at the first conditional. The type 1 conditional or first conditional refers to a possible condition and its probable result. So these sentences are based on facts and they are used to make statements about the real world as well and about particular situations. We often use such sentences to give warnings. The structure of the first conditional sentence is if clause is in present simple and the main clause is in the future. Let's have a look at some examples. Example number 1. If it doesn't rain tomorrow, we will go to beach. So it means if it doesn't rain, we will go tomorrow. But if it does rain, we won't. Example number 2. Liverpool will be top of the league if they win. So if they win, they will become the best team of the league. Number 3. When I finish work, I will call you. Once I finish, after that, I will call you. If I don't finish, I won't. Example number 4. If you don't hurry, you will miss the bus. If you hurry, you won't miss the bus. But if you don't hurry, you will miss your bus. It's also common to use structures such as unless, as long as soon as, or in case instead of if. For example, I will leave as soon as the babysitter arrives. So when babysitter arrives, I will leave. So as you can see, instead of if, we used as soon as. It means I will leave if babysitter arrives. If babysitter doesn't arrive, I can't leave. Another example. I don't want to stay in London unless I get a well-paid job. So if I get a well-paid job, I will stay in London. I don't want to stay in London unless I get a well-paid job. And the last one. I will give you a key in case I'm not at home. So if I'm not at home, so I will give you a key. Let's have some practice. Exercise number 1. If I the problem to my sister, she will be happy to help. A. Explain. B. Explained. C. Will explain. Remember, after if, we use present simple. So if I explain the problem to my sister, she will be happy to help me. The answer is A. Exercise number 2. If you a red card, you can't play the rest of the game. So you're a football player. You're playing a football. And if you red card, you can't play anymore. A. Get. B. Got. C. Will get. And the answer is A. If you get a red card, you can't play in the rest of the game. Exercise number 3. If the grass gets wet, it's a fact. So it will be 0, real conditional. And the answer will be A. Rained, B. Rains, or C. Will rain. What do you think? What is the answer? And the answer is B, rains. If it rains, the grass gets wet. Excellent, well done. Exercise number 4. I will have a shower as soon as home. A, I get. B, I will get. Or C, I'd get. And the answer is A. I will have a shower as soon as I get home. And the last exercise. If you mix red and yellow, you orange. A, will get. B, gets. C, get. This is a fact. If you mix red and yellow, you always get orange. So the answer is get. If you mix red and yellow, you get orange. This is the end of our video. I hope you've enjoyed, and if you've got any questions or doubts, write them down in the comment box and write down how many you've got right. Bye bye for now. See you next time.